wind hums softly through the trees. A lone bird sings as the sun takes its leave. The farmer sits with a thoughtful gaze, watching the sky in its golden haze. Hands worn from years of toil and care, memories drifting like dust in the air. The sun sets over fields of gold, bringing back stories left untold. The wind carries whispers from days gone by, but tomorrow I'll still hold my head up high. The fields lie silent, kissed by the breeze. His children have gone to chase their dreams, yet here he stays, where roots run deep, guarding the past that time won't keep. The sun will rise, the sun will fall. Life moves forward through it all. A farmer's heart beats strong and true through fading dusk and skies so blue. The sun will rise, the sun will fall. Life moves forward through it all. A farmer's heart beats strong and true through fading dusk and skies so blue. The sun sets over fields of gold, bringing back stories left untold. The wind carries whispers from days gone by, but tomorrow I'll still hold my head up high. The sun fades, but the fire inside still burns bright, still burns bright. In a quiet room, it's only me. The wind outside hums a melody, echoes of the past still haunt my sleep. Pieces of a heart I couldn't keep. I reach for a light in a sky so gray, trying to hold on through another day. This is